Today we're going to be changing out the cabin air filter in our 2012 Dodge Challenger. First thing you do is open up your hood. I'm going to put our filter right here, and you'll see this plastic grate over here. Got a clip here and a clip here. Just press down on them and pull up and pull out. All right, now you can see your air filter is right here, and you have a little plastic thing on top of it. And there's like a clip here and a clip right here. So just pull up on that clip, pull up on that clip, and this one over here. And look, the filter pops right out. That's pretty nasty. So we're going to change that out, put our new one in. We'll give you a link in the description to buy a new one. And airflow goes that way. So when you put yours back in, you can see there's like a channel right here. One on this and the other one on this side. Keep this lid pulled back up like that. There you go. Slide it back in so you can see it's in between right there. Like that, and then right there, over there. Then take your lid, put your lid down, and you'll hear it snap. So you'll hear this snap right here, and this one right here. Put our cover back on. So that's how you change out your cabin air filter on your 2012 Dodge Challenger. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.